good afternoon, whenever you guys are watching this video.
In our case, it's morning right now.
Welcome back to Alex and Wadney Entertainment. I'm Wadney.
And I'm Alex.
And today, you guys, gonna be cooking with Alex.
Yes, a very simple cooking with Alex today. So, it's a nice calm day. I got the day off, Wadney's got the day off. Plan on really just kind of hanging out. So, I thought the best thing to do would be to make my spicy chicken stew. It's a chicken stew with a whole chicken, fingerling potatoes, rainbow carrots, and
really
an assortment
good.
of various seasonings.
Oh my god, it's really good. But before we get into the video,
Yes,
you guys, like the video, subscribe to Alex and Wadney Entertainment, and comment what you're doing. Comment what you guys are doing.
Comment what you guys are doing.
Like, we're trying to do it together. We're trying to come up with a better intro and a better ending, you guys. Be patient with us. We're getting there. Thank you for everybody so far that subscribed to our channel. We really appreciate it.
Yes.
So, let's get right into the video.
Alright, so as I said earlier, I'm going to be making my chicken stew. I already have everything pretty much prepared.
Okay, go
so,
ahead.
Alright, so this meal is prepared in the crock pot. So, as you can see, it's a good sized bird. It is 11:15 in the morning right now, so this bad boy is going to slow cook for the majority of the day, really. I have my bird, my seasoning blend. This is a blend of paprika, sea salt, thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, and some cayenne pepper. And I put a little bit of chipotle in there as well. Okay, that's what gives it the flavor. A nice layer of onions I put at the bottom of the crock pot.
So he already diced and did everything.
Yeah, I already did all the prep work. You guys don't want to be watching me doing all that stuff.
Yeah.
I'd be falling asleep as well. Rainbow baby carrots.
Hold on. Turn it back again. There you go.
Yeah, see, not only is this a flavorful dish, but I also go for colors as well. And then organic fingerling potatoes. As you can see, it's a variety of different potatoes. We got purple, red, and yellow potatoes. So, most of the work is already done, as I said. I just gotta season up my bird. So,
You already did the line. You already did.
oh yes, yeah. Very important. My wife likes it when I clean the chicken a certain way. So, I used some salt and some fresh lime juice to clean it off. Bird's all clean. So now, we're gonna go ahead and season them up.
Okay.
Season this bird up a bit.
And if you want, you can use ippies. I told you guys about this ippies already. We put you guys onto this ippies already. You can use whatever seasoning you want, but today this is the seasoning.
Yeah.
And this is the ippies, you guys. We've been saying it forever. Creole spices. It's really good, you guys. It has a little bite to it. Again, you could use any type of seasoning, but today we're using a different type of seasoning. But I just wanted to say it. Hit up your boy Baz. I'll put all the information.
Yes, especially the Eppies man.
Yes, I'll put the information down below. But just wanted to throw that out there. Alright, let's get back to the video.
Got the bird in there. So now I just put like a light layer of seasoning on it. So then I start adding the potatoes into the sides. I'll do some potatoes first.
Yeah, this hand is not the one, but that is good. Perfect angle.
Then I'll toss some of the carrots in.
Couldn't you put some of the regular carrots in, babe? Why you have to put it with the whole...
So then I give it a nice douse of the seasoning. I mean, ultimately, everything is going to kind of just like blend together.
Okay, this is the carrots I was telling him about.
Yeah, and I always use rainbow carrots for mine.
I know, but you can put a little bit of this in there, right? Is it the flavor going to be different?
I mean, you could put a little bit, I suppose you're right. But I don't, there's not going to be enough room, as I said.
Yeah, but we can put a little bit.
Wadney, there's not going to be enough room. Who's making the dish, you or me?
stop it when I see. That's an easy dish. That's look at an easy video.
Oh, the mail person probably hasn't came yet, babe. All right. Now that that's done.
Doesn't the comment down below, babe? Tell them to comment down below.
Yeah, yeah. Comment down below, of course.
Let us know what do you think about the colors.
Yeah, I mean, and I know I loaded this bad boy with seasoning, but it's good. Trust me.
Oh yeah. Might have our boy Sonny come over.
I'm gonna see what he's doing later. All right. And now.
You're not gonna put the other carrots or something up wrong. You're right.
I told you,
There's
Wadney.
not enough room, you guys. Look at the bird, you guys. Comment down below, you guys. Oh my goodness.
All right, and then for the finishing touch. So you just pop the lid on, scoot her back a little bit.
Hold on, wait.
All right. My crock pot's pretty basic. Let's do manual. Low. Kind of hard to see it with the light, but there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, it's on low. And
Back to you.
yeah, and that's basically it. You know, as I said, it's approaching 10:30 a.m. right now. This is gonna be ready probably come supper time, and by then that chicken is gonna be falling right off the bone, and it's gonna be very juicy and moist. I'm excited. I'm looking forward to it. How about you, babe?
Yes, I am. I am looking forward to it. Okay, so it's gonna take about the whole entire day. So I'll just come back every like 3 hours.
Yeah, maybe just like we'll do a slight video where you can like kind of show me checking up on it this afternoon.
Right, and then the ending.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I'll see you guys when we come back to check in with you guys.
Yep, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah.
Bye. All right. Stir this around a little bit. Just want to get some of these vegetables up top down closer to where they're gonna cook better. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. All right, so we're getting to that time of the day where that thing is looking pretty damn good.
So you guys, so Alex actually, babe, do you want to explain, oh my God, explain how you got to this? Basically, this is the bird. So basically, he had to peel the bird all the way out, like one by one, right?
Yeah, like the meat just falls off the bone since I cooked it for, a good portion of the day. And then it becomes a stew.
And then this is the final result, you guys. It's like a simple ingredient, easy to do.
Yep.
It's like 7 o'clock at night.
Mm-hmm.
And Alex already had some already.
Yeah, it was very good.
Any tips?
I'm going to go ahead and put this on warm.
Okay, any tips you'd like to give?
Not really. I mean, just, start early. Make sure you give it plenty of time to cook.
Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.
Yes. Yep.
So,
feel free to try the recipe. It came out very good.
So you guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Alex and Wadney Entertainment,
and comment down below.
Thank you. See you guys in our next video.